'cause the second you walk in, I built.
What's up guys, Joker94 today, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and probably review of the Manscaped Lawnmower 2.0. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the Manscaped Lawnmower 2.0. Okay, that's the box. Let's get into it. I'm gonna put you guys down for a second so I can open this. Hold on. Okay, let's open this thing up. So you get the Manscaped trimmer. With 6,000 whatever the hell it is RPMs, RPMs, and I guess you get a couple different attachments for your pubic length. What else? Get a little nice carrying pouch. Looks like the charger cable and the charger. Let's try this cocksucker out. Can't really show you, obviously. I mean, I could. Now, I will say all the reviews said don't use it on your actual balls. So I'm not going to use it on the actual balls. I'm going to use the razor over there for that. But above, so far, so far, so good. I'm also supposed to charge this for 5 hours before I use it. I don't want to wait, so I'm just trying it. But yeah. So far, so good, people. Alright, I'm gonna finish this job up. So far. Alright, people, so for the Lawnmower 2.0 by Manscaped, I give it a 4 out of 5. Worked pretty good. It wasn't as powerful as I think it should be, just because I didn't charge it. You're supposed to charge it for 5 hours before you use it, and I didn't. So yeah, other than that, it was great. I did nick my sack. Now, all the reviews said don't use it on your actual sack, and I don't think any like product like that is really meant for it, just because your ball skin is like ball skin, if that makes sense, and it gets stuck between the little teeth and gets pinched. So other than that, it works pretty good. I definitely would check it out. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you guys next time. Joker94 out.